Hello everyone, here with Dadan. Today we will learn about the Archimedes Principle. Student objective: to prove the effect of drowning and floating an object, and then to see what the effect of salt water to the object. Let's see what happened. Necessary material: we need to prepare 3 eggs and then 3 glass of water and then the sea salt and then a spoon. The procedure: prepare 3 glass of water and then pour water into the glasses. For the first glass, let it be normal water, and then for the second glass of water, add 1.5 tablespoons of salt. For the third glass of water, add 3 tablespoons of salt. Mix the salt until it mixes well. Then allow a few minutes for the rotation of the mixtures to stop completely.
5 minutes later.
Then put the first egg into the glass. First glass without sea salt will sink completely. And then plunge the other egg into the glass of salty water. Put egg and notice that the egg will be floating. For the third glass, it will appear that the egg will be more floating from 3 of glass. Then we will see that the egg has different condition. Analysis: the law of Archimedes says that an object thrown partially or entirely into a liquid will experience an upward force equal to the weight of the liquid it displaces. An object that is completely or partially submerged in a fluid will obtain an upward force equal to the weight of the transferred fluid. The magnitude of the upward force, according to the law of Archimedes, is written in the equation is if A equal to rho, V, and G, which is if A stands for upward force and rho is density, V is volume, and G is gravity. For the same phenomena in the first class, if the weight of an object is higher than the upward force, the object will sink. Because of the density, the egg will sink when placed in normal water. The density of the egg is greater than the density of the water. For the second glass, the phenomena that happen is floating. If the weight of an object equal to the upward force, or the object is in equilibrium, it will float in the middle of the liquid. The egg will be in a condition of floating when 1/2 teaspoon of salt is added to the water. This is due to the fact that the density of the water equal to the density of the egg in this condition. In this case, salt is used to increase the density of the water. For the third glass, the phenomena that happen is the egg is more floating. If the weight of an item is less than the upward force, the object will float more and reach the surface of the water. When 3 tablespoons of the salt are added to the water, the egg float reaching the surface because the density of the water is higher than the density of the egg. This occurs because the larger the amount of salt, the greater the density of the water. For the conclusion, the egg sinks because of its density is greater than the density of the water, and then the object float in the middle of the bottle is due to the density of the egg is equal to the density of the water. We call a state of equilibrium. Then floating object because of the egg density is less than the water density, and the salt serve to enlarge the density of the water. So the more salt we add, the greater the density of the water we get. See you in the next time. Thank you and bye bye.